Welcome to Golden Mindset, the place where we talk about financial freedom, abundance, and building a life with strong values. Here, we don't chase quick wins. We build powerful habits, wealth, and peace of mind, step by step. You're not unlucky. You're not broken. And no, you're not doomed to be broke forever. What if I told you that you're just one habit away from building real wealth? Not 10. Not 5. Just one. And no one's ever shown you how powerful it really is. Most people think wealth comes from big wins, a lucky investment, a high-paying job, or being born into the right family. But the truth? Wealth is built in silence, with one small, consistent habit that compounds over time. The problem is, we don't even realize we're living in autopilot mode. Every day, we repeat the same actions. Wake up. Scroll. Complain. Spend. Sleep. But if one of those daily habits changed, just one, your whole life could look different. Want examples? A man started saving $5 a day, not much, right? But he did it for 10 years, and invested it. By 35, he had over $45,000 growing in the market. Why? Because the habit wasn't about the money. It was about who he became, someone consistent, someone aware, someone in control. Another person made the habit of reading 10 pages a day. That's it. Just 10. In 1 year, they'd read over 20 books about finance, investing, mindset, psychology. That knowledge gave them an edge. They started a side hustle, learned to invest, stopped chasing trends, and started building real wealth. So what's the secret? Pick one powerful habit. Just one. Do it every single day, no matter what. Because that one habit does more than help your wallet. It reprograms your identity. When you act like a wealthy person daily, even in small ways, your life starts to align. You begin making better decisions. You avoid impulse spending. You invest before you spend. You stop living for the weekend and start living for the future. Want ideas for that one habit? Try these. Track every dollar you spend. Read for 15 minutes about money. Write down your financial goals every morning. Invest automatically once a week. Say no to one unnecessary expense daily. Do that, and watch what happens in 3 months. You're not stuck. You're just one habit away. The future version of you, the one with peace, options, and freedom, is watching. Start today. Because that habit you choose now, it could be the very thing that changes everything. If this message spoke to you, take a breath, and take a step. Subscribe for more calm clarity and real wealth wisdom. This is Golden Mindset, where abundance begins within.